Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching this week's super cool fold. It's one of the most exciting things I've seen in a while. You're gonna love this. My good friend Vicki Strahl sent this to me. She's an amazing designer. Her friend sent this to her and said, wow, look at this. And she sent it to me and said, wow, look at this. And so I'm grateful to her for sharing this so that I can share it with everyone. Thanks, Vicki. This is a beautiful invitation to an event called Garden Party. This is Cooper Hewitt, which is the Smithsonian Design Museum. I wanted you to see the envelope. It's Astro Brights. Definitely stands out in the mail. I just love the bold color. Really fun. And then they carried those colors through in this invitation as well. So the front and back actually look the same, and they've got this really unique shaped kind of front panels. So interesting texture, interesting shape. This is probably about 100 text. That's my guess. So it needs a little structure. But anyway, you open it up like this. Isn't that absolutely amazing? So we've got some diagonal folds and scores and things going on here. This is just a rectangle with scores and hand folded down, but you can see here this kind of herringbone pattern. If you go all the way back to Fold of the Week 200, you'll recognize kind of the Miura Ori format, which has this herringbone pattern in it. So I would call this like a mini modified Miura Ori, which I love. And so we've got angled folds and parallel folds. So these are the parallel ones. There's two parallel, and then there's these angled folds and scores here and here. And that's what's creating this herringbone pattern. So I'll try to kind of angle this for you. These color blocks really help in showing you guys where all the scores are. They did a beautiful job with the design. So I also could see, by the way, when I saw this, I was like, you know, if you didn't want kind of the cover with the texture on it, you could add a rectangular panel on the front and back to kind of conceal it and then surprise people with this. So somebody out there do that. That's a challenge. I would love to see that. And then that'll get on the show. So that's really, really cool. I'd love to see that modification. But there's so many beautiful things you can do with this. And I love the idea of taking that large Miura Ori that's normally for maps and things like that and really turning it into a smaller, simpler structure. So cool and exciting. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Mini modified Miura Ori. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial-ins, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.